Is spending nearly £80,000 on what's essentially a fancy van ever worth it? Today we're taking a close look at the 2025 Mercedes V-Class to find out if this high-end people mover deserves your attention and hard-earned cash. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Mercedes V-Class has always been an interesting proposition, a luxury vehicle based on a commercial van that promises to transport multiple passengers in supreme comfort. After its recent facelift, let's see if the 2025 model delivers on that promise. The first thing you'll notice is the refreshed exterior. Mercedes hasn't reinvented the wheel here, just subtle tweaks including a redesigned grille and updated LED lighting that keep it looking fresh and premium. It's still unmistakably van-shaped, but with enough chrome and styling elements to announce its upscale intentions. Speaking of cruising, this V-Class packs the top-tier 2-liter turbodiesel engine, producing 234 horsepower. Is it fast? Not exactly, but power delivery through the 9-speed automatic is smooth and perfectly adequate for a vehicle of this size. Fuel economy remains impressive for something so large, which is always a bonus. Step inside and the story gets much more interesting. The cabin has received a major tech upgrade with dual 12.3-inch widescreen displays dominating the dashboard. Running Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, these screens bring the V-Class firmly into the modern era. Standard equipment is genuinely impressive. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, electric sliding doors, power tailgate, wireless charging, and even ambient lighting with 64 color options. Yes, 64, because nothing says luxury like the ability to bathe your passengers in purple light while cruising down the motorway. Now for the not-so-good news. Despite Mercedes' best efforts, the driving experience reveals its commercial vehicle roots. Steering is light but lacks feedback, and the brakes could use more progressive feel. Take a corner with enthusiasm, and you'll be reminded immediately that this is no sports car. But let's be honest, nobody buys a V-Class for spirited driving. This vehicle excels at its primary mission, transporting people in comfort. Road and wind noise are remarkably well suppressed, and the suspension soaks up bumps without excessive body movement. The real magic happens in the passenger compartment. Seating is supremely flexible, with configurations ranging from 7 individual seats to an 8-passenger layout or an ultra-luxurious 6-seat arrangement with reclinable massaging captain's chairs. It's genuinely business-class travel on wheels. Materials throughout the cabin feel properly premium, with soft-touch surfaces dominating the dashboard and door panels. There's an undeniable sense of quality that justifies at least some of that hefty price tag. And hefty it is, starting at nearly £80,000 and climbing well above $90,000 for fully loaded examples. That's serious money for what remains, underneath all the luxury trimmings, a van. So is it worth it? If you regularly transport multiple passengers and want to do it in the most comfortable way possible, few vehicles can match the V-Class. Just don't expect it to be exciting to drive and be prepared for that eye-watering price tag. That's my take on the 2025 Mercedes V-Class. What do you think? Would you spend luxury car money on this premium people mover? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.